你们好，我是石老师。Today we are gonna continue with lesson 3. What's your name? Do you remember how to say what's your name in Chinese? We've learned last time. Yes, it is showing here. What's your name in Chinese is 你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字？ Before we start the lesson, let us check last time's homework together. So the first homework for last time was practice the dialogues every day. Did you do so? What did we learn last time? The dialogue was 你叫什么名字？我叫 Dora。你叫什么名字？我叫 SpongeBob. Right? What's your name? My name is. And what else we've learned last time? Yes, we've learned 他 or 她 means he or him, she or her. How to say what's his name? Yes, you can say 他叫什么名字? What's her name? 她叫什么名字? You can say 她叫 Dora. 她叫 SpongeBob, right? The 4 dialogues we've learned last time. And then the second one, write the dialogue down in your notebook in pinyin. Could you please open your notebook and check if you have done this one? Okay, 很好，很好. If you forgot your homework, please make it up, okay? Okay, now let us review it one more time, what we've learned last time. So look at here. We're gonna do these 2 pictures all together. Follow me, with me, please, because I'm helping you to remember all of these, okay? Then you can try it by yourself. How to say what's your name? My name is, yes, it is 你叫什么名字？我叫 Dora。我叫 SpongeBob. Okay. Now I'm gonna ask you. You answer me, please. The first picture. 你叫什么名字？ Second one. 你叫什么名字？很好。Let us switch. You go first. Then I'm gonna answer your question. 我叫 Dora. 我叫 SpongeBob. Okay, now ask and answer by yourself. These 2 pictures first, then answer the question with your own real name, okay? 1 minute. Okay, now let us continue this one. We've learned 他. Both of these 2 characters are pronounced as 他, means he or she. So if you don't want to ask what's your name, but you want to know what's his or what's her name, you can say 他叫什么名字? Okay, now let us do these 2 pictures first. Follow me, 跟我读。他叫什么名字？他叫 Dora. Which character we have to choose? This one or this one? Yes, she is a girl. We have to choose this one. Different radical. Okay. The second one. 他叫什么名字？他叫 SpongeBob. Then which character we have to choose? The first one or the second one? Yes, the first one for male. Okay. Now, after we reviewed all of the dialogues in last lesson, now we are gonna continue with the rest of this lesson. And now let us start with the new words. 生词. The first new word we're gonna learn is this one. How to read it? 是，是，跟我读，是。Yes, means to be or MSR. For example, I always say 你们好，我是石老师. So what does it mean? Hello guys, I am 石老师, right? 是. One more time. 是. Then one question for you. Then guess, how can we say I'm not? I am 石老师. Then you can say 我是石老师. How do you say I am not 石老师? Remember the character we use for negative? Yes, we can just say 不是. Remember? 不好. 不. Yes, this is 不是. If you want to say I'm not, then you can say 我不是. For example, I want to say I'm not Dora. You can say 我不是 Dora. 很好. But this word is, one more time, 是. 很好. Next one, very familiar. We have said it again and again. This word is, how to read it? 老师. One more time. 跟我读. 老师 means teacher. 老师. 很好. So this one, 是. 老师. 老师. Continue. Next one. You guys are, yes, 学生. 学生 means students. If you want, you can write it down in pinyin and then translation. This word is 学生 means students. Yes, let us try these three together. The first new word, 是. Second one, 老师. Third one, students. Yes, 学生. 学生. Then here are my questions. Look at here. How to say I am a teacher? Yes, you can say 我是老师. I am a teacher. 我是老师. How to say I am a student? Remember the word for student? Yes, it is 学生. How to say I am? Yes, 我是. Then you can say 我是学生. If you want to say I am Dora, you can say 我是 Dora. If you want to say I am SpongeBob, you can say 我是 SpongeBob. One more time, if you want to say I am a teacher, how do you say? Yes, 我是老师. One more time, how to say I am a student? 我是学生. 很好, 很好. Now continue. This time, I don't want to say I am a teacher, but I want to say he is a teacher. What do we say? I cannot say 我是老师 because I is 我 but I don't want to say 我是 I don't want to say I am. I want to say he is. What do you say? Yes, it is. 他是老师 Replace the 我 into 他。他是老师。I choose this character because this one is for male, right? Now, then let us continue. If I want to say she is a student, what do we say? You cannot say I am a student because I'm asking you to translate she is a student. Then we are going to say 他是学生。他是学生。This character is for female, right? Yes. One more time. How to say he is a teacher? Yes. 他是老师。How to say she is a student? Yes. 他是学生。他是学生。One more time. How to say, be careful, I am a student. Yes. How to say that? 我是学生。How to say I am a teacher. Yes. 我是老师。很好，很好。Now more questions. How to say I am not a teacher? Actually, we explained that just now. How to say I am not a teacher? You cannot say 我是老师 because I am not. Remember the word for negative? Yes, it is 不. If it is not good, we say 不好. But if you want to say I am not a teacher, I am not a teacher, what do you say? Yes, it is 我不是老师. Okay, if you want to write it down, 1 minute, please. 我不是老师。Okay, more questions? If you want to say I am not a student, what do you say? It is, yeah, it's just here. Please read it. Yes, 我不是学生。我不是学生。Then more question. If you want to say I am Dora, what do you say? Yes. Let me hear you. Yes, what do you say? 我不是 Dora. If you want to say I am not SpongeBob, what do you say? 我不是 SpongeBob. One more time. If you want to say I am not a teacher, quick, what do you say? Yes. 我不是老师. How to say I am not a student? 我不是学生。很好，很好。Now let us try this sentence. How to say I am not a teacher. I am a student. It's a long sentence, but not so complicated. How translate the first part, then the second part, please. I'm not a teacher. Yes. How do you say? Yes. 我 不是老师。And I am a student. 我是学生。One more time. You read it, please. The first time you read it, then second time memorize it, and don't look at the PowerPoint. Yes. Now you try it without any reminder. How to say I'm not a teacher, I am a student. 很好，非常好，很好。Now, this is very important for you because it's a new grammar point. So we've already learned that I am a teacher, I am not a teacher. Then how to say, are you a teacher? It is a question right now. And we haven't learned how to ask a question. Are you a teacher? So we are gonna say, 你是老师吗？你是老师吗？ means, are you a teacher? You can say in this sentence, you can see in this sentence, 吗 at the end of the sentence, this 吗 is a new word. We haven't learned that yet. And be careful, it is a neutral tone. You have to say that softly, gently, and quickly. 你是老师吗? It's different with mama's ma. This one is the different character. It doesn't mean mom. What does it mean then? This ma is to use at the end of a question, of a yes or no question. One more time. This ma. When do you use this ma? When you want to ask a yes or no question, you put it at the end of the sentence of this question. What is a yes or no question? For example, this one, 你是老师吗? means, are you a teacher? How to answer that? You can answer yes, I am, or no, I am not. These kind of questions are yes or no question because you can answer with a yes or no. Then you can use the ma at the end of this question. One more time, how to say, are you a teacher? Yes, 你是老师吗？你是老师吗？ You can write it down in your notebook. 你是老师吗 means, are you a teacher? How do I know it is a question? Because I use this ma at the end. Okay, continue. How to answer that? You can say, yes, I am. 我是老师 or 我不是老师 or you can say, 我不是老师，我是学生。我不是老师，我是学生。We can do it together because this one is very useful. Now let us try to translate this sentence together. Okay, I'm gonna write it down here. And if you want, you can write it down in your notebook as well. How to say, 你, are you a teacher? How to translate this sentence, this question? Let us do it together. Write it in pinyin together. Are you a teacher? Yes. 你是老师吗? How to say, I am a teacher? Yes. 我是老 师。If you are not teacher, then you can add a 不 here. 我不是老师。Okay. Now, let us continue with the next several ones. So just now we just learned 是 or 不是 or 是吗. So review these new words one more time. This one is 是. This one is 老师. This one is 学生. 学生 means what? Yes, student. 你们 you guys, 你们是学生。我是老师。Okay? Listen to my question, then answer me, please. 你是学生吗？ Think about it and answer me. 你是学生吗？ How to answer that? Yes, 我是学生。Okay. Next time. This one is a little bit hard, but think about it. I want to ask, is your daddy a teacher? You can say, he is a teacher. How to say that? I'm not asking you, but asking your daddy. Then I can say, 你爸爸 means your daddy. 你爸爸是老师吗？ How to answer? He is a teacher. Yes, you cannot say 我是 because I'm asking him. So you can say 他是老师。很好。Now let us continue with the next one. This is the fourth new word in this lesson. This is 人 means human or person. 人 just the two strokes of this character. Okay, if you want to write it, we can write it together. So how to write a human, a person in Chinese? It is 人 人 just two strokes. 一撇那 This is 人 like a walking person, like two legs. If you want to write it down, you can write it down in your notebook, please. This is 人 means human or person. Yes, continue, come back. This is, actually we have learned this at the very beginning of our lessons. This is 中国 means China. 中国 Yes. Think about this question. I want to say Chinese person, Chinese people. How can we say that? Yes, it is 中国人。中国人。One more time. Follow me, 跟我读。人。中国。中国。中国人。中国人。Yeah, we're gonna continue with next several countries and the other words. This is 美国。美国 means the United States. 美国。One more time. 美国。How to say American people? Yes. 美国人。美国人。Yes. Maybe you want to say the UK, the United Kingdom. Yes, I know. This is 英国。英国。This word means United Kingdom, including Wales, North Ireland, Scotland. Yeah, so includes all of these. This is the UK, United Kingdom. It is 英国。英国。 英国. Then how to say the English people? Yes, it is 英国人. 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 One more time with these new words. One more time. Read after me. Then I'm gonna ask you to read it, okay? Follow me. 跟我读人。中国。中国人。美国。美国人。英国。英国人。One more time, you read it. Let's start. Yes, maybe you've got this question. So we can say 中国、美国、英国. So what does 国 mean? All of these countries with a 国 in here, right? How to say China? It is 中国. How to say United States? It is 美国. How to say the United Kingdom? It is 英国. Yes, this 国 means country. Country. You can write it down if you want. Open your notebook. Make notes. 很好. Now, you can try to translate this sentence. Are you a English people? Are you English people? Are you from the United Kingdom? What do you say? Yes. Look at here. 你是英国人吗? This is a question. I'm asking the question. 你是英国人吗? How to answer that? Yes, I am. Then you can say 我是英国人. I'm gonna ask you this sentence. You answer me, please. Don't look at the last sentence. Just answer my question. 你是英国人吗? Answer me. 我是英国人. Then you ask me. Well, you know, actually, 石老师 is not from the UK. I am Chinese person, right? Then what do I need to say? I am not. Then I can say 我不是英国人，我是中国人。Do you want to try one more time? You ask me, please. How do I answer? I can say 我不是英国人，我是中国人。Listen to my question. I'm gonna ask you. 你是美国人吗？你是美国人吗？ How to answer that? You want to say I'm not American people. I am from the UK. Yeah, what do you say? One more time, listen to my question. 你是美国人吗？ Answer that, please. 我不是美国人，我是英国人。英国人，英国 means the United Kingdom. 英国人 means English people. 人 means person. 人 means person. How to say Chinese people? Yes, 中国人。石老师是中国人。How to say I am English people? 我是英国人。How to say I am not from the UK? I am Chinese people. Yes， 我不是英国人。OK， 我不是英国人，我是中国人。Yes, these are what we've learned today. Remember at the very beginning? Oh, if you want, we can review from last time. Last time we've learned what's your name? My name is. Do you remember that? It is yes. 你叫什么名字？我叫 Dora. Okay, and today we've learned 是 or 不是 means am is are or am not, is not, are not. For example, if you want to say I am a teacher, what do you say? Yes, 我是老师. How to say I am a student? 我是学生. How to say I am not a teacher, I am a student. 我不是老师，我是学生。Yes, then how to say are you a teacher? Do you remember that? Yeah, how to say that? Are you a teacher? Yes, it is here. 你是老师吗？你是老师吗？ Then answer that. And then we've learned 人 and 中国，中国人，美国，美国人， then 英国，英国人。How to say are you the English people? Are you English people? Yes. 你是英国人吗？ Answer me, please. 我是英国人。Okay, so now let us see the homework for today. It's very easy. Translate the sentences into Chinese and write them down in pinyin in your notebook. These are 4 sentences I would like you to translate. Please write them down in pinyin. All of these we have learned. The first one, are you a teacher? Remember, it's a question. Yes, the second one, I am not a teacher, I am a student. The third one, are you Chinese? You want to ask me, are you a Chinese people? What do you say? Yes. 你是中国人吗？你是中国人吗？ The last one, I am not Chinese, I am American. How to say that? 我不是中国人 I am American. 我是美国人 These are for for today's homework. It is for translation. Please write them down in pinyin. Okay? Thank you. 谢谢你们. See you next time. 再见.